Hello traders. Today, I will show you an effective way to follow the trend. As we all know, trend is friend, yet we often find ourselves trading against it. We make promises to ourselves that we will never trade against the trend, but as the saying goes, promises are made to be broken. Nevertheless, today we will discover a method to ensure that we stay on track with the trend. To accomplish this, we will utilize the multi-moving average trick, specifically the 50 and 100 simple moving averages, SMA, to identify the trend. We will be using TradingView and the moving average ribbon for this purpose. You may wonder why we choose TradingView. It's a valid question, as it is not mandatory to use TradingView charts. Any moving average indicator can suffice. However, for today's demonstration, I will be using TradingView. To begin, go to the Insert Indicators option and search for the moving average ribbon. You will find several ribbons, but I recommend using the one created by Mort Digity as it has proven to be superior. Next, let's adjust the settings. Under the Input tab, select Simple for the type, and set the fast period to 50 and the close, and the slow period to 100 and the close. You have the option to use the signal line as a trade entry trigger, but it is not necessary. Once these settings are configured, we are good to go. Now, you will see a visually pleasing moving average ribbon. But how do we use it to follow the trend? Let's establish some rules. Never trade within the ribbon. We will only trade outside of the ribbon. Typically, when the market is within the ribbon, it tends to move sideways. Trade long when the price is above the upper band of the ribbon. Trade short when the price is below the lower band of the ribbon. By following this straightforward technique, you will be able to avoid trading against the trend. Now, let's examine some examples. If you are interested in learning more about trend following strategies using the moving average ribbon, please feel free to comment below. Thank you and happy trading.